Battlefield 6. Uh, yeah, I don't even know what either of those are. I had Lazavic with black again. That is a dreadful pairing. What am I up to now? I think I'm up to d6. So let's play d6. And then I'll play... What do people do here? g6, g7. Oh well. Shocker. What a shocker that Lazavic trades the queens. If I have time for this kind of development, then I should be fine. Sometimes I don't. I feel like what he's doing here was a bit slow. f6 and then bishop e6. Like usually you have to approach these positions kind of fast as white, since you have to play kind of fast, because long term black is very much okay, positionally speaking. So like my king is over here, so you normally try and go and attack that. Since I cannot castle, but in more of a slow middle game, then my king is in a good spot. So this does not really feel energetic enough to me. Maybe it's fine. That was a good idea of playing f5 and then e4 here. How do I always miss the arrow? Maybe I should adjust. That's what you do. You adjust your aim so that the arrow doesn't miss. Knight d5 is maybe a threat. It's a bit annoying. Is a5 a move? How am I feeling about allowing? Maybe I'll go f5. Knight d5, king d8 should be fine. And b5, he really is playing like a little bit for tricks, but that is what I was encouraging him to do. So I should not, definitely not blame him for that. Knight b6. Maybe I have to do that now. I don't love it. This feels a bit yucky. No, knight d5. I think I take everything. And while he has compensation, I don't think he's better. This is natural. I think this works out tactically for me. At least in the sense that I'm not losing immediately. Again, positionally, I'm doing well. Right. This is actually a take and then king d7. Like, it's hard to believe. It's hard to believe to the extent that I don't believe it. Otherwise, it's probably E. Oh, he's got this. Ugh. No. So he did have a tactic after all. That is wildly annoying. That is really upsetting. I'm sort of fine still. Positionally, I'm doing alright. Knight is coming here, but this means that we have a situation where he can not really ever get in trouble. I'll take the pawn. Yeah. Here, he doesn't have any tactics, right? King e5. I mean, I don't have to allow it. No, I don't see it. I don't think he has anything here. And e3, rook d8. I think rook d8 regardless. Hoping to get at e3, knight b4. I have very, very, very slight initiative, maybe. Yeah, not really. Not really. It's actually slightly annoying. Make a move. Okay, I think he should have traded queen. He should have traded rooks first. I feel like this was a bit of an improvement for me. I mean, position is just big bunch of nothing regardless, but oh, maybe that's a good move. Okay. Hinting at f4 also takes, and yeah. He nips that idea in the bud. Annoyingly. Trying to get the rook here. That's a good move. It's a very good move. If ideas are going here, maybe. Okay, a6. Oh, no, I didn't see that. Okay, I still got counterplay. It's fine. I'm still okay. Check, no. Where can I go with my bishop? Probably nowhere. No, what's that? That is an awful square. Oh, he has rook f1. And I just gave away the game. Completely gave away the game. Rook f4. It's dead lost. It's absolutely friendly fire as well. That's the worst part. No, that's not a legal move. That's the problem. I thought I was misclicking. No, then I just allow his king over there. Annoying. Annoying! Ah! Two such unbelievably unnecessary losses. I'm trying to win a drawn position. Like, he played well. He played really well. I didn't have any chances the whole game. But I should never, ever have lost it. Here, I'm like going up with the king, trying to create chance. What chances? How are there ever chances? Then, yeah, this move is wild. I'm just thinking I'm forcing a draw, but even rook a1 wins. This is so dumb.